Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to change mirror image in iPhone. So if you're using an iPhone, whether iPhone that is running on latest iOS 18 or is running iOS 17 or earlier, and now you want to change the mirror image function or feature on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change mirror image on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the iPhone settings. Then on the settings page, just scroll down and locate camera. So if you're using iOS 18, you should see camera under accessibility. For devices run on iOS 17 or earlier, you may see the camera when you scroll down this page, but on iOS 18, just need to scroll down to accessibility, and under accessibility, you see your camera. So go ahead and click on camera. Now once you selected camera, scroll down to composition under the camera settings. Once you get to the composition, just scroll up a bit, then you should see mirror front camera. So if this is enabled, you can just disable this. And if this is disabled and you want to enable the mirror camera image on your iPhone, then turn this on. So you can just use this button to toggle on and toggle off mirror image on your iPhone. So that is basically how to change mirror image in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.